This video will show you how to make your PowerPoint presentation loop indefinitely. Open your PowerPoint presentation. Click the Transitions tab. Check the After box. It's on the right side of the toolbar. This feature ensures that your slide will transition to the next one after a set amount of time. Adjust the amount of time the slide takes. Click Apply to All. This will apply the specified number of seconds to each slide in your PowerPoint set. A specific time for different slides if necessary. Select the slide in question, then change the slide's after text box value to the time you want to use. Click the Slideshow tab. Click Set up Slideshow. Check the Loop Continuously Until ESC box. Checking this box allows your PowerPoint presentation to loop indefinitely. Click OK. Save your PowerPoint as a show file. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.